Right guys, we have a very exciting unboxing today because in front of me we have the iPhone 13 Pro Max in the wonderful Sierra Blue. I'm pretty hyped about this. I've taken off the plastic tabs, so why don't we just delve in and do the honors. Ooh, that's an interesting color. Ooh, I like that. I do really like that. That looks good. Wow. That looks amazing. Anyways, put the phone to the side. Here are the contents of the contents. I can't speak today. Anyways, contents of the box. You have the paperwork, the Apple stick, and of course, just the cable in the box since Apple does not give you a charger. Anyways, let's put the box to the side and delve into the device. This color has grown on me quite a lot because in the review videos, I was a little unsure. I did not like the color in the videos, but in person, it looks really, really good. Anyways, let's take off the wrapping thing on the front, the peely thing. Yeah, I can't speak today. Anyways, let's take this off. Quiet, please. Can you guys hear that? Oh, and there we go. First look at the smaller notch. Looks pretty weird to me, I can't lie. It kind of reminds me of 2018 Android phones. But anyways, that's pretty nice. Yeah, let's just power it on, guys. There we go. Now, I am pretty excited to check out the 120Hz ProMotion panel because I'll be honest, I've had ProMotion on the iPad for 4 years now, and I rarely notice it. So I might turn it off for the better battery life. We'll have to see, but yes, whoa, that was fast. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set this up off camera, and then of course, I'll come back, share my first impressions. Actually, before I go, why don't we swipe things and see the ProMotion display in action, because it should look quite good. Ooh. Okay, yeah, I can see the 120Hz. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and set this up. I'll see you guys in a bit. Right, so I've set the phone up and I want to give you guys my first impressions. And yeah, overall, I'm a massive fan already. Now, I do want to say the weight really is not a massive issue. I'm not noticing it a lot, especially coming from the iPhone 12, which is a lot lighter. But to be honest, the weight is perfectly fine for me. The size is really comfortable. I really like it. The only issue for me right now is the smaller notch because it still looks a little weird to me, but also the fact Apple's not taking advantage of the space they have at the top, since of course we could easily have the percentage for the battery in the corner there, but Apple refuses to give us that option. So yes, I hope Apple does fix that very, very soon. Now, as for 120Hz, I'll be honest guys, I thought this was overrated, but I can definitely notice a difference, and it's so much better. It's so much silkier, it's so smooth. I love it. I'm going to turn it on and leave it on. I'm a big fan. Now, the other things I want to test are the cameras and the battery life, which of course I can't do right now, so I will make separate videos for that. In fact, I might add some videos and photos in post to this video to show you guys some samples of this amazing camera on the back. But yes, apart from that, that's pretty much my first impressions. So yes, tell me in the comments below guys, what do you want me to do with this iPhone, and I'll do it in a future video. Anyways, I'm gonna go have fun and play around with this phone, but in the meantime, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. And with that being said, see ya peeps.